Live and work at your very own private airport. With this property, the sky's the limit. Imagine starting your day, coffee in hand, going straight from your kitchen to your very own runway. This is the live, work lifestyle at its peak. Set on over 55 scenic acres and positioned within an hour of Hartford, Boston, and Providence, this property offers unparalleled potential. With versatile buildings and a welcoming gathering area for aviation clubs or quiet moments under the open sky, Woodstock Airport isn't just a dream, it's your next adventure. With a 2,200-foot paved runway, lighting for nighttime operations, and on-site aviation fuel, this is the destination for aviation enthusiasts.